Hey, this is Flylady Premium Mentor Emma with day 15 of our 31 baby steps. As you can see, I'm not at home today, so this is going to be maybe a little bit different. I don't know, maybe not. What I would have done if I was home is actually made my bed while I was talking to you, but I'm not in a position where I'm able to do that where I am, unfortunately. So you may have guessed from me saying that today we're going to add in making our bed to our morning routine. Now, you might think, oh, my bedroom's so cluttered, it's full of stuff, it's messy, it's not going to make any difference to make my bed. Your bed is like the shiny sink of your bedroom. If you pull those covers together and make it, and it looks kind of smooth and nice, it makes the whole room look better. And then from there, you'll be able to make kind of progress on other parts of your room. But making your bed every morning is really important part of the Flylady process, and does make a difference. And I know I say that every day, these things make a difference, but hopefully now we're halfway through and you're starting to see that there is a difference to what you're doing in your day, and maybe you're starting to feel a little bit more under control. So when I say make your bed, in the UK generally we have duvets, so just kind of shake that duvet, flatten it off, sort your pillows out and go. I'm not talking about spending 10 minutes giving the perfect bed with hospital corners and kind of military smoothness. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you've got kind of lots of blankets and things like that, just straighten those blankets, pull them across, sort your pillows out and go. 1 to 2 minutes tops to make your bed. Not a great big kind of extravaganza in our perfect bed. Good enough is good enough. We're getting it straight, we're getting it nice. Now I know that Flylady kind of straightens it all before she even gets out of bed, then gets out of bed and just pulls it up and straightens it. That's not the way I do it. If you want to see how I make my bed, I do have a video of that. My morning routine is available for you to watch. I will put it right at the top of the description box, so you can click on that and watch it. It's not very long, it takes you through my whole morning routine, but there you'll see me making my bed, and that what I mean about how quick it is, and how I'm not a stickler for perfection. I just kind of shake it out and there it is done. Right, I'm off into London today, so I will speak to you all tomorrow with day 16. You have a great day.